Welcome everybody to another episode of Two Girls One Coin. Today
we are
Coinbasing.
We're Coinbasing.
What are you doing?
But we've mentioned Coinbase a couple of times, but we haven't said. No, we've mentioned it a couple of times. We literally said it twice. We've not said exactly what it is.
Yeah.
Maybe you're wondering what is Coinbase and how does it work? Because actually, I'm not very sure. So,
I have an account.
And even Dee doesn't know how it works, and she has an account.
But I have one.
Number one newbie mistake: keeping all your Bitcoin on Coinbase.
Basically in this video we're going to talk about what Coinbase is. What is it good for?
Absolutely nothing.
Who?
Let's get that
Coins!
Hey everybody, Jeremy here from Blockchain WTS, and today we're going to be going over
Jeremy, man.
popular ways to buy cryptocurrency.
Popular.
And that's via Coinbase.
Coinbase.
Coinbase is one of the easiest ways to get into the cryptocurrency market. That's a lot of people, where did you make your first purchase? And Coinbase is usually the answer.
Ask me.
Where did you
Coinbase. Ask me again.
Where did you make your first?
Coinbase.
Founded in 2011 by Brian Armstrong and Fred Ursham.
Oh, 2011, meaning 3 years after Bitcoin was created.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
How do people do it before Coinbase? Maybe it was...
Good question.
Because 3 years people were trading and doing...
Oh, I don't think it was 3 years. Bitcoin's white paper came out in 2009.
Yeah.
And I think it became a thing in 2009, 2010.
Coinbase was launched with the main goal of being the most accessible cryptocurrency exchange. Their status as early adopters and their ease of use has positioned Coinbase as one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges today. 2017 was a huge year for Coinbase. They directly benefited from the meteoric rise of cryptocurrency, both in price and popularity. It became the go-to resource for those looking to purchase crypto.
So just to double check, you use Coinbase to turn your normal money into cryptocurrency.
Yeah. I would say it's the closest thing to PayPal. Even the design, if you look at Coinbase and PayPal, if you look at the layouts, colors, everything, clever. I see what you did there, Coinbase. I ain't dumb. I've done some branding. I've done some business in branding. I know what them clever.
Clever.
So why is Coinbase so popular? Besides being one of the
Because they copied PayPal.
in the space, they're also one of the easiest ways to purchase cryptocurrency. Most exchanges make you jump through hoops just to sign up and purchase cryptocurrency. In most
Here are the list of other exchanges.
parts of the world, Coinbase was the only realistic option for beginners to purchase cryptocurrency without going through a lengthy and annoying process. Users have the ability to purchase cryptocurrency via bank transfer or credit card, although some banks are now restricting credit purchases.
Because banks are threatened by the new system. Why else would you block it? They're scared. Banks, you should be scared.
And the numbers definitely show this. By the end of November,
Tell us about the numbers.
13.3 million users.
Sorry, but what is this? Why is this? What happened there?
Video editing is my passion.
Coinbase currently offers many services, and the whole goal is making buying and selling cryptocurrency easy.
Thank you.
However, there are a couple steps that you need to go through in order to sign up for Coinbase. Because of anti-money laundering laws, you might have to go through a verification process in order to make your purchase.
We need to know you are you. You know, I think that's fair because you want them to know that you are you because...
Another important note, Coinbase does take a 1 to 4% fee. This is typical of most exchanges, however, some offer lower fees or other incentives.
Right.
Coinbase currently offers markets for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. Coinbase does handle user private keys, so we recommend that once you make a purchase, you move your cryptocurrency to a wallet where you control the private key.
Right, I haven't done that yet.
Coinbase provides support for merchants as well.
See, this is why it's so good to have this channel. I didn't know that. I just bought cryptocurrency. I was like, yay, it's all good, isn't it? No, I need to move that from...
Yeah.
I'm on it.
Yeah.
Maybe we should do a video of that without them knowing what I'm on.
Do a tutorial where we show Dee's private key.
also announced a new suite of institutional products aimed to attract investment that has normally been geared towards non-cryptocurrency markets. It's a pretty big change, and Coinbase Suite is a big step for Coinbase. And that's a rundown on Coinbase.
Well, wow.
Any
Okay.
other questions?
Thank you.
I know it's
I like Jeremy. Thank you, Jeremy.
Thank you,
I
Jeremiah.
hope that Jeremy watches one day.
Oh, that'd be nice.
That'd be
wouldn't
really
it?
nice.
Yeah. Hi, Jeremy.
Hi.
If you're
Thank
watching.
you. So, D, what is Coinbase?
Oh, wow. Okay, it's an exchange. I wasn't expecting that question.
Alright.
Which, yeah. It's an exchange.
What does that mean?
It's where you can exchange money. You can exchange your normal money into cryptocurrency. Do you want some cryptocurrency? You go to your normal bank and be like, hey guys, I want to move my cash money, my fiat money.
Look at you knowing the terminology. Yeah.
I'm learning.
Outro. Super simple.
Thank you for watching today's very short and very concise video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Will it be concise?
I think so.
Good.
Bye.
Tomorrow, what are we doing tomorrow?
Oh, tomorrow's episode is an exciting one.
Yes.
Yes, because what we've decided is
What we've decided is every Sunday we're going to do a weekly recap of all the things we've learned that week and do a little summary.
so, I mean, really, you don't have to watch all the videos. You just watch Sunday's videos and you'll be fine.
Once a week.
Once a week. Yeah. Also, guys, notice this fresh cut. You know, maybe I should have like a Bitcoin.
Please don't.
Oh.
Please never do that.
Oh.
Please don't do that.
It was like,
No. Bye.
bye.